I'm Eric Springman from Bestline Equipment in Towanda, Pennsylvania. Most of the dealerships in the United States is having a field day sometime in the spring. We picked the end of March, early April to do it here in Pennsylvania. And today we have a little course set up, and people can come in, demo equipment, get discounts on parts and accessories. They can run a zero-turn mower, RTV, the BX. We have LX tractors. We have a pallet that you can use pallet forks and pick up some wood. We have a pile of mulch that you can pick up and move around to run the loader. On our equipment, Kubota is running a coupon. You can get up to $250 off on a tractor. And we have some different tractors that we have more models of that we're discounting a little more. The BX is one of them. Coming to Bestline Equipment, we have 3 professional parts people here with thousands of dollars in parts in stock, ready to go. We have Kubota trained service mechanics on staff. We have trucking. If you can't get your tractor back here, we can come pick it up, service it for you, and bring it right back to you. Here at Bestline Equipment, we are an elite dealer with Kubota. It's the highest ranked dealership in the Kubota family. So we have the expertise to help you out. Again, this is Eric Springman from Bestline Equipment. If you didn't get a chance to stop in at our field day, stop in at any point for discounts on Kubota equipment.